Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger auto logging out on your app. So now to fix or how to solve Messenger auto logging out, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about Messenger and you will enter here. Then this page we click force stop. Then we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait a moment and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.